Okay, so in these next few days or weeks, hopefully next 2 weeks, I get to fix this greenhouse. This greenhouse is okay, but it's got a lot of problems, as you can see, like that one panel on the roof. But it was a real bad situation last winter in here, but it's a little bit better this year. It's pretty messy, but as you can see, we already have a lot of plants in here. I don't see any temperature gauges in here to tell me the temperature, but yeah, they're all off. It looks like it's about 68 degrees in here. Tarp up top, we want to get rid of that. I've got to patch up a lot of different holes in here. This is a 12 by 8. So right now you're seeing the before. This is the before video. Hopefully it's glamorous and fabulous after this. But as you can see, the heater's going there. Yeah, the heater's going there. And this is not cost effective. We did this last season and it cost us an arm and a leg. It was very expensive to do this. This way, so we're actually going to buy, oh there you go, 69 degrees. My guess is 68 according to the other gauge. But yeah, so we are going to actually get a greenhouse heater this year. Patch up all the holes. There's a lot of different holes, especially in the roof, the corner over there. I don't know if you can see that. Patch these up and hopefully make this a beautiful greenhouse. All right, so here's the before. And we're going to try to do this in a cost-effective manner, so welcome to the journey. And yes, that's a fish tank.